In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate layers, selections, and entire documents in Photoshop. By the end, you'll know the fastest shortcuts and the menu options that achieve the very same results, so you can work non-destructively and keep your edits organized. Let's start with duplicating a single layer. In the Layers panel, click to select the layer you want to copy. With that layer highlighted, press Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on a Mac. Instantly, Photoshop creates a duplicate of the selected layer, placing it directly above the original so you can experiment without touching your source. This is perfect for trying new adjustments, blending modes, or filters while keeping your original intact. If you prefer a dialog box and a chance to name your copy, right-click the layer, choose Duplicate Layer, and enter a descriptive name before confirming. Clear names make it much easier to stay organized, especially in complex files. Now, let's duplicate just part of an image. Make a selection with any selection tool you like, marquee, lasso, or any other. With that selection active, press Ctrl+J or Command+J. Photoshop copies only the selected area onto a brand new layer, and everything around it becomes transparent. This is a quick way to isolate an object or create cutouts for compositing. If you'd rather use the standard clipboard workflow, press Ctrl+C or Command+C to copy the selection, then Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste. Photoshop will paste it onto a new layer, which you can move and transform independently. Either approach gives you a clean, editable piece of your image without altering the original pixels. Finally, if you need a full copy of your entire project, duplicate the whole document. Go to the Image menu and choose Duplicate. Photoshop will create a separate document containing the same contents, layers, adjustments, and layout, so you can try major edits, export different versions, or share a working file without risking your master. Before you confirm, you can rename the duplicate to match your versioning system, which helps keep everything easy to track. That's all there is to it. Remember, Ctrl or Command+J is your fastest friend for duplicating layers and selections. Right-click Duplicate Layer lets you name as you go. And Image, then Duplicate gives you a full document copy